Hello guys, my name is Piyush Mishra and welcome to my channel Explore PU. Today we will discuss about the sixth chapter of Rich Dad Poor Dad, and that is work to learn, don't work for money. That is the sixth chapter. So here the author has started this chapter he's just sharing that once he was interviewed by one of the journalists in Singapore, and she was asking her that she is also a very good author, although she has not been very famous around the world, although locally people are very appreciating her novel, but she it's not being like publicly well known around the across the globe. So in that regard, what the author suggested to that journalist, that he says that I think you should work on the sales part. You should learn how to sell. It will help you. By listening this, the journalist got offended, and she said like she just hate all these sales kind of work, because she just thinks that salespeople are corrupt and not good at all. So in this, author asked one question with journalist like, what do you think? Am I the best writing author or the best selling author? Just because I am the best selling author doesn't mean that I am the best writing author. So I am the best selling author because of the sales talent only. I know how to sell. So that he gave the one example, and after that the journalist left. Apart from this, like this author also said like, once he wrote a book with the name, if you want to become rich and happy, don't go to school. So he said like he just took this controversial name of this book. When he went to the publisher asked him to change the name to the economics of education, but author rejected. He said he will go with this controversial name only, and the book became very successful, and it was well known across the globe. After that, author is sharing his work experience in the past which he has done. He said like he started working in 1969 into this US Merchant Marine Academy, where he was working as a third mate in the mariner. So although the job was very good, he have to work only for 6 months, and for the rest of the month in a year he had to be on a vacation. Although even the pay was okay, although he just left this job and joined marine troops. So why he did that? He said like, although his poor dad could not understand why he left that job, although the pay was okay. So he said my rich dad got understood. That rich dad was very well known that he left the job because he just want to understand the international trade by joining this US Merchant Navy, US Merchant Marine Academy, and by joining this marine troops, he just want to know the leadership. So once he will have this leadership quality, he can be successful in any of the business. So these are the two things that he did. After that, author, so what author wants to say here, just don't specialize in a one thing only. Although he said many people will not support him in this thing, but he is trying to say be get the specialization in many areas, so that you will be comfortable when you go out that particular specialization. After that, author is also sharing like in 1973 he did as a salesperson in a Xerox company. Although he was a shy person, he was not able to communicate with the people very well. So just because of that fear of rejection, to remove this fear of rejection, he just joined the company and he became one of the top person in sales. Once he become went on top in Xerox, he left that job also. So finally, what author is trying to say, he said do that job which as per your requirement, like whatever the skill you need, you work as per regard to that skill set only. Apart from this, author has also suggested, like many people thinking was like, if we are doing a government job, we are fully secure, our job is set, and we will get retired very like very securely. But he shared one book with the name The Retirement Myth, written by um, Craig S. Carpel. He said like this, the author has shared his experience, like it is not like there he had some shared some frightful picture after retirement of many people. So he said it's not like that the future is secure. He said just there should be a learning. You should not be specialized in a wind field only. You should be specialized in multiple field, so that you can have idea in multiple areas. So apart from this, he also shared a very one good example of McDonald. In university, once he was in university, he asked with all of the students, who do you think like who can make better burgers than McDonald? So most of the people raised their hands. So then he said, you know, McDonald's are not good in making burgers. They are good in making business system. That is why the reason they are very famous right now. So he said everyone should become like a McDonald. They should not be in perfect. They should not be perfect in making burger. They should be perfect in making business system. So that is what he is trying to say. Although his poor dad was not agreed with him. He just wanted to suggest to Robert or to the author of this book that he should be specialized in one field only. But he was not agree, as he know that if he wants to become perfect, if he wants to become a good businessman, he needs specialization in multiple fields. In that regard only, he has shared three management skills. First is management of cash flow. Second is management of system. Third is management of people. So he said if a person get a specialization in these three areas, a person can become good. And also apart from this, communication is also good. Communication in speaking, in writing, in negotiating in people is also very important. Apart from this, he also says, so as the author had the experience of both dad, like rich dad as well as poor dad. With poor dad, he learned like how to fill the gap between have and have not. And with the rich dad, he learned how to earn money, and additionally how to after learning how to give it to the church or foundation or charity. So that what the rich dad perception was like, if you are giving money to church or charity or foundation, you will get also. So it's that is what he had thought on rich dad and poor dad. So with this only, he just finished this line, and he said, keep learning, don't depend on money, work to learn, and don't work for money. Thank you so much. Tomorrow again I will come with the 7th chapter.